Neha. I am an accounting trainer, blogger, and vlogger. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Name of my YouTube channel is Let's Talk About Accounting. Okay friends, now our today's video is interest on drawing account. Okay, so in this video you will learn that what is interest on drawing account, what is the meaning of interest on drawing account, and how is the accounting treatment done for interest on drawing account. So let's start with our today's topic. So interest on drawing account is gain for the business. Interest on drawings is an income to the firm and hence it is credited to profit and loss account. These drawings, the partnership agreement may provide for charging interest. Okay, so whatever amount is withdrawn by partners, so we charge interest for the amount withdrawal by partners. Okay, so as we charge interest means we as a firm charge interest on drawings that is withdrawn by partners, so it becomes a gain. Okay, it is income for the business. Drawings may be against profits or against capital. A partner may withdraw profit or capital. Okay, so whatever profit or whatever amount he is withdrawing, that is known as drawings, and we charge interest for the amount which we have given for that partner for using. Okay, so interest is computed on the basis of the period for which the money remained outstanding from the partners during the course of the accounting year appropriation account. Okay, on the other hand, interest on drawings is an expense to the partners and hence it is debited to their capital account. As interest on drawing account is gain for the firm, okay, for us it is a gain, but for that partner it is an expense, okay, because he has to pay the interest and we as a firm receive the interest. So on these drawings, the partnership agreement may provide for charging interest. Drawings may be against profit or against capital. Interest is computed on the basis of the period for which the money remained outstanding from the partners during the course of the accounting year. Interest on drawings is gain for the business, as I said earlier. So interest on drawings is an income to the firm and hence it is credited to profit and loss appropriation account. Okay, so we credit it to our income or revenue account. Okay, on the other hand, interest on drawing is an expense to the partner and hence it is debited to their capital account, and the partner may give that effect in his profit and loss account as an expense. Okay, so how interest on drawings is calculated? Drawings are made in the beginning of each period. Okay, half year. Interest on drawings equals to amount into rate upon 100 into 9 by 12. Okay, so drawings are made in the middle of each period. Okay, so interest on drawing is equals to amount into rate by 100, okay, into 6 by 12 if we are calculating for half year. Drawings are made at the end of each period. Okay, so interest on drawing equals to amount into rate divided by 100 into 3 by 12. Okay, so at the end he can make a drawing or at the beginning he can make the drawing. Okay, so this is the formula how we calculate. So interest on drawings rate is given in the partnership form itself, that whatever drawings will be made by the partners or whatever amount will be withdrawn by partners, he will be charged an interest for that particular withdrawal, and that is on a particular rate, and that rate is being mentioned in partnership deed. Okay, so is interest on drawing an expense? So the amount of interest charged on drawings is an indirect income of the business, and on the other hand it is a personal expense of the owner. On the other hand, it is a personal expense, therefore it will be added in the drawings account in balance sheet and ultimately will be deducted from capital account. So where is interest on drawings recorded? Interest on drawings will be shown on the credit side of profit and loss account. Interest on drawings is the interest charged by the firm on the drawings made by the partners. It is a source of income for the firm and hence it is to be credited to our profit and loss account. Okay, so what is the journal entry for interest on drawing? So accounting and journal entry for interest on drawing is cash or goods withdrawn by proprietor from the business for their personal use is labeled as drawings. Okay, so the journal entry will be, as you can see over here, drawings account and interest on drawings account. Okay, so basically whatever is the drawings, it should be debited, and whatever cash or whatever goods he is withdrawing, it should be credited from a business accounts. Okay, so basically the journal entry to the drawings account consists of debit to drawing account and a credit to cash account. And journal entry for withdrawal cash for personal use. Okay, if an owner withdraws rupees 1000 for personal use, you need to create a debit entry for rupees 1000 in the drawing account for the owner, such as with the name drawing account. A corresponding credit entry is made in the cash account at the end of the year. The drawing account is closed out. So this is the accounting entry which I am giving you, or I am explaining you for drawings. And our topic is interest on drawings, so that accounting entry I have already been explained to you. Okay, so that will be in the capital account. Its effect will be in the capital account. Okay friends, so I hope you must have understood this video, that what exactly is interest on drawing account. Okay, I will repeat again that it is a gain to business. Okay, we are charging interest, we as a firm are charging interest on capital which the partner withdraws from business, or the cash which we give to partner for using. Okay, so whatever personal expenses and all, or whatever profit he withdraws from business, on that particular amount we as a firm have to charge the interest, and that interest is to be paid by the partner. Okay, so it is a gain to business and it is an expense to partner's capital personal account. Okay, so in his personal account he will show as interest paid, and in our books we as a firm we have to show that it is interest received as indirect income. Okay friends, so I hope you must have liked my video. So if you have liked my video, please like, comment and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Keep loving, keep supporting. Thank you.